Have you ever wondered if time is truly what we believe it to be? Imagine for a moment that the past, present, and future aren't distinct stages, but interconnected threads of a cycle that endlessly repeats itself. What if the choices you make today were already influenced by a version of yourself that hasn't yet existed? While this may sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, fascinating theories suggest it might not be as far-fetched as it seems. Could it be that our perception wields more influence than we think? And is it possible that the decisions we make shape not only the future, but also the past? These questions, as puzzling as they are, invite us to rethink our understanding of time, not as a rigid, linear progression, but as a dynamic flow, shaped and reshaped by the very act of observing it. A revolutionary concept, known as the participatory universe, introduced by physicist John Wheeler, offers a striking perspective. According to Wheeler, reality is not fixed in advance. Instead, it takes form through observation. In this framework, time becomes a flexible medium where every thought, action, and choice can ripple through the structure of existence, altering what we believe to be real. In this view, we are not passive spectators of the cosmos, but active participants in creating our experience of it. Imagine the extraordinary possibility. Your current decisions might influence events that have already occurred, while future potentials subtly guide the choices you make right now. If this theory holds true, the implications are astonishing. Time stops being a straight path and transforms into a vast, ever-changing ocean of endless possibilities, constantly sculpted by consciousness and focus. Consider phenomena like déjà vu or dreams that feel eerily prophetic. Could these be signs that we're navigating a temporal loop, or perhaps glimpses into how time and awareness interact? If life is a puzzle with pieces scattered across the past, present, and future, our consciousness could be the key to assembling the full picture, revealing not just the nature of time, but its potential to be transformed. Stay with us as we delve into how this concept bridges science and spirituality, unveiling ideas that may forever alter how you view the universe, your choices, and your place within it. Have you ever wondered why certain moments in life feel like they've already happened, even when there's no logical explanation? That uncanny feeling, known as déjà vu, leaves a lingering impression, as if you're reliving something from an unknown time. Or perhaps you've experienced dreams so vivid and specific that, later on, they unfold in reality with remarkable precision. Could these events be more than mere coincidence? Perhaps glimpses into a deeper truth about time and consciousness? Theories that challenge conventional understanding suggest these phenomena might reveal that time doesn't flow in a single direction. Instead, it could be intertwined with our perception. Déjà vu, for instance, might represent a fleeting glimpse into a cyclical structure of time, where the mind accesses fragments of experiences already lived in another instance. Similarly, prophetic dreams might hint that our awareness can transcend the boundaries of time, connecting us to events that haven't yet occurred from our current perspective. This leads to profound questions. If we can access parts of the future or past through these experiences, does that mean we're stuck in a perpetual cycle of repetition? Or could our consciousness rewrite these events, altering the trajectory of what has already happened or is yet to come? What may seem like chance could, in fact, be a sign that time is far more connected to our awareness than we ever imagined. Modern physics offers fascinating insights into this mystery. Consider the delayed choice experiment, which demonstrates how present decisions can influence outcomes in the past. This concept suggests that time isn't rigid, but responds to the observations and choices of conscious beings. Adding to this is the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles separated by vast distances remain inexplicably linked, defying classical notions of cause and effect. If time truly depends on how we observe it, experiences like déjà vu and prophetic dreams might be more than just fleeting oddities. They could represent an invitation to explore the profound link between our minds and the nature of time itself. Perhaps by understanding this connection, we can break free from cycles of repetition and reshape our reality. Stay tuned, as the next stage will delve deeper into how these ideas could revolutionize our understanding of existence and the fabric of reality. The laws of the universe as we currently understand them are challenged by phenomena like quantum entanglement, where particles separated by immense distances influence each other instantaneously. This phenomenon defies the notion that time and space are unbreakable barriers. If particles can remain connected across invisible networks, what does that imply for our perception of reality? According to the temporal cycle theory, our actions and experiences might be interconnected in a similar way, creating a web where past and future shape one another in ways we are only beginning to grasp. If time isn't the straightforward line we imagine, what other truths could be hidden beneath our limited understanding? More importantly, could this knowledge help us break free from the perpetual repetition of time? To seek answers, let's delve into cosmic phenomena like black holes and the theoretical wormholes, which might hold clues about our relationship with time and its true nature. Black holes are among the most enigmatic anomalies in the universe. These regions of extreme gravity trap everything, even light, within their event horizons. What makes them even more fascinating is their profound interaction with time. As an object approaches the event horizon of a black hole, time around it slows dramatically. At the singularity, the core where the laws of physics collapse, time might even come to a complete halt. This suggests that time is not a universal constant, but something that can be manipulated under specific conditions. These distortions might provide a glimpse into how temporal cycles could function in our reality. On the other hand, wormholes, though still theoretical, offer an equally captivating possibility. Imagine a tunnel connecting two distant points in space-time, enabling not just travel across space, but also through different moments in time. If wormholes were proven to exist, they could serve as portals to the past, the future, or even a means to escape the repetitive cycles of time altogether. But here lies a deeper question. Are we trapped in this cycle simply because we haven't found exit? Or could the key to liberation lie not in technology, but in transforming our perception of time itself? In the next stage, we'll explore how these ideas connect to the boundaries of human understanding and what they reveal about the true nature of existence. Could it be that the answer to breaking free from temporal repetition lies within us all along? Stay tuned as we journey further into this profound mystery. Interestingly, ancient philosophies have long spoken of similar cycles. Traditions like Hinduism and Buddhism describe samsara, an endless cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. According to these beliefs, the soul is caught in this perpetual motion due to karma, the consequences of past actions. In this view, every lifetime offers a chance to learn and awaken. However, without reaching a state of enlightenment, we remain bound to this infinite cycle. This perspective aligns closely with the temporal cycle theory, suggesting that time isn't an external prison, but an internal condition. Only by transforming our consciousness and making deliberate choices can we hope to free ourselves from this endless repetition. Practices like lucid dreaming provide a fascinating way to explore our perception of time during sleep, while serving as a powerful metaphor for expanding awareness in waking life. Lucid dreaming encourages us to break free from unconscious patterns that limit us and to take control of our choices. Alongside this, keeping a reflective journal can be an invaluable tool for identifying the cycles that repeat in our daily lives. By recording experiences and analyzing emotions and past decisions, we can uncover hidden patterns that often go unnoticed. This process of self-observation fosters deeper awareness, helping us act with intention instead of following automatic responses. Yet an important question emerges. Can individual consciousness alone break the cycle? Or does it require a collective awakening, where humanity as a whole redefines its relationship with time and reality? The concept of collective consciousness suggests that our minds are not isolated but interconnected within a vast shared field. If each observer influences reality on a quantum level, what might happen if millions of people became simultaneously aware of the repetitive patterns of time? Physicist John Wheeler's insights remind us that individual observations already shape events at the quantum scale. A collective observation could potentially alter not just the flow of time, but the very structure of reality itself. Imagine the impact of a massive awakening. Thousands or even millions of people recognizing the cycles of existence, understanding the loop, and consciously choosing to change their actions. This collective shift wouldn't just redefine our perception of time, it could also transform the purpose of our existence. Perhaps by stepping off autopilot and acting with full intention, we might reshape the very fabric of reality and find a way out of the infinite cycle. If we are contributing to the loop by living unconsciously, then the key to liberation might lie in collective mindfulness. Each intentional action could serve as a step toward breaking free from repetitive patterns. But is it truly possible to escape this cycle entirely? Or are we destined to experience it endlessly, uncovering deeper layers with every turn? What we've explored so far is merely a glimpse into the immensity of this mystery. If time isn't what we think it is, if our choices, memories, and experiences are woven into an infinite web, what does it really mean to be free? Perhaps the answer has always been within us, waiting for discovery. This is only the beginning. As science, spirituality, and consciousness continue to reveal profound connections, we may inch closer to understanding this greater enigma. For now, one final question remains. Are you ready to look beyond illusion and discover what lies on the other side of the cycle? So, we've reached the crucial moment. Are you willing to question everything you've ever considered real? Are you ready to open your mind to a truth that could change everything? This journey doesn't end here. The next revelation might be nearer than you think, waiting to be found. If this reflection has sparked something within you, a flicker of curiosity or a sense of possibility, then you've taken your first step. Your engagement is vital. Every time you share ideas like these, you contribute to a network of connected minds capable of questioning what once seemed unchangeable. You help others look beyond appearances, challenge limiting beliefs, and explore what lies beyond perception. But don't stop here. There's so much more to uncover. Each step toward greater understanding not only expands your perspective, but also influences those around you. Keep exploring, keep questioning. Knowledge has no limits, and as we've seen, neither does time. This isn't the end. It's the beginning of something much larger. What you choose to do now could make all the difference. Are you ready to keep moving forward? If this video brought value to your life, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts or questions in comments. It's always a pleasure to read and respond. Share this content with someone who might need it today, and click the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos. Plus, there's a specially selected video on the screen for you now. Click it and continue exploring these fascinating topics with us. See you there.